All right, our practice for the day. So the cost of pizza, C, will be at least $8. So we have our cost of pizza, which is our C, and it's going to be at least $8. So can it be more than $8? Yes, it can be $9, $10, any dollars. It will be at least $8, so it can cost $8. So the cost is going to be either greater than or equal to that 8, which means we are going to have a closed circle because it's greater than or equal to 8, and it's going to be greater than or equal to, meaning we are going to shade to the right. All right, now we have our next one. Zoe's age, Z, is not 11 years old. We have Zoe's age, Z, is not 11 years old, so I'm going to put an equal to symbol with the slash through it. That means it's not equal to. So, there we go. So, not equal to. So, we are going to have an open circle on 11 because she's not 11, but she's anywhere other than 11. She could be older. She could be younger. Maybe she's not even born yet. Maybe someone's just planning on having a kid and saying they're naming it Zoe, and she's not even going to be born for like years. So we are going to have that open circle with the two arrows pointing both other directions. All right, the number of students, S, is at most 30. So the number is at most 30, so it can be less than or equal to 30. So at most, so you can't go past 30, so 30 is going to be either greater than or equal to that student number. We are going to have a closed circle here. And it's going to be at most of 30, so it can be less than that. Maybe there's students in the negatives, sure. All right, last but not least, the length of a piece of wire, L, is longer than 21 and 2/10 feet. 21 and 2/10 feet, longer, so L is bigger than that. It's not 21 and 2/10 feet, it's bigger. So we are going to have an open circle on 21 and 2/10. Woo! An open circle there. And we are going to shade to the right because it's anything bigger than that. And that is going to be it for our practice. Great job!